Harmoniq AI has just been released, and it's already creating a lot of buzz in the AI software world. If you're wondering whether it's the right fit for you, this video breaks down 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can try Harmoniq AI completely free. More on that later. First off, Harmoniq AI stands out for its ability to optimize digital marketing efforts with machine learning that gets smarter the more you use it. Whether you're an individual entrepreneur or a business owner, this tool promises to streamline your marketing strategy by automating repetitive tasks while improving performance over time. What makes Harmoniq AI truly unique is its intuitive interface. Even if you're not tech savvy, the software guides you through setting up campaigns, monitoring analytics, and generating reports with just a few clicks. You don't need to be a data expert to start seeing results, and that's something a lot of marketing tools struggle with. Now, one of the core features of Harmoniq AI is its predictive analytics. Using historical data, it forecasts the success of your campaigns, helping you make data-driven decisions and avoid wasted marketing spend. The algorithm takes into account everything from customer behavior to market trends and delivers actionable insights so you can adjust your strategy on the fly. What about integrations? Harmoniq AI integrates smoothly with major platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and more, which means you can get started without having to deal with complicated setups. It's as simple as syncing your accounts and letting Harmoniq work its magic. Another thing that caught my attention is Harmoniq's automation features. You can schedule posts, set up drip email campaigns, and even automate customer support with its AI-powered chatbots. This isn't just a time saver, it's a way to ensure your business is running 24/7 without burning out your team. If you're wondering about data privacy, Harmoniq AI has got you covered. It uses robust encryption methods and adheres to global data privacy standards, ensuring that your information and that of your customers is safe. In today's world, this is non-negotiable, and Harmoniq does a great job in this department. Now, let's talk about results. Early users have reported seeing significant increases in engagement and conversions within just a few weeks of using the software. The platform seems to be able to quickly adapt to different industries, making it versatile for businesses of all types. And here's a bonus. Harmoniq AI comes with an incredibly responsive customer support team. Whether you need help troubleshooting or guidance on using a specific feature, their team is available to assist in real time. This makes a big difference when you're dealing with something as complex as AI-powered marketing tools. Before we wrap up, remember you can try Harmoniq AI for free with the link in the description below. I've personally tested countless AI software tools, and I can tell you that Harmoniq is definitely one to consider. If you're serious about stepping up your digital marketing game, this could be the tool that gives you that edge. And if you're still on the fence, I've got more AI software recommendations in the description that you can try at no cost. After testing thousands of options myself, these are the ones I trust the most for driving results. Be sure to check them out. So, that's the Harmoniq AI review. If you found this video helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check the links in the description to get started with your free trial today.